Oh, we just checked in at the M Solvang here, and this area that you're looking at is their guest parking. So everybody parks back here. They do have some rooms back here as well. See 20, 19, and things like that straight ahead. It's a very cutesy little inn, and this is the way through the office. Our room is actually over on the other side of this. We're gonna go there in just a minute. So we're over here in number 2, and they've got this cutesy little garden area. We picked this hotel because we wanted something really, really cutesy, and I feel like this kind of fits the bill for cutesy hotel here. What do you think? Yeah.
Definitely compared to some of the other ones.
Yeah. So here we go. We're in here at number 2. So this room is one that you still need a key to unlock. Now I've already unlocked it, but here we go. Just popped on the wide angle lens so you can take in the whole area here. We've got a little couch and a TV on the wall here. Refrigerator, full refrigerator. I mean, look at this. We've got glasses and a stove top. This is a $300 room, and I think it's a king bed. But we also got like this little kitchenette. The one right next to us, number 1, looked like your standard kind of hotel room. So this must be a slightly larger type of room, but here we go. Look at this closet and some upper areas there. But this is our room. Pretty big dresser, another TV in here. Oh, and here's the bathroom. Check out the bathroom. This is really nice looking. Just have some squeeze bottle shampoos though, none of the little takeaways that you can take with you. And yeah. Anything else over here? No, just a wall. What's the view out the window? Just vines and things. Nothing really to look at out the window. Well, this is a lot bigger than I expected it to be. I mean, I don't really know what I expected. I saw photos of rooms online, and of course, and there's one that looked like a lot nicer than this, and I was hoping maybe we were gonna get the nice one or whatever. Like it felt kind of log cabin-ish. This still sort of has that sort of feel to it, but
I'm wondering if that's one of those like upstairs ones.
It might be. Oh yeah, because it looked like it was a loft. Yeah. It looked like it had an A-frame roof too. Yeah. So yeah, but this is a really nice place. This is where we're gonna be staying. Look at this. I just discovered this little sign in the bathroom here. It says, "We hope you enjoy our bath products. If you would like to take them home, you can purchase them." So you can take some of those bottles home if you like, but you got to pay for them. Well, another problem we just discovered, not really a big problem per se, just, first world problems, is that since this is a small bowl type sink, there's nowhere to put our wash bags. So they do have this little platform here that we put our wash bags on, but there were towels on there, so we had to put the towels on the floor for us to have a place to put our wash bags. So just something to keep in mind. And this is us, the M Solvang Garden Suites. So there's the upstairs suites up there. There's one right there, and then there's another one over there. We visited Solvang last year, about a year ago actually, very, very first time. There were still COVID restrictions in place, so just driving through, we could already tell things are different than last time.
Last time there were lots of streets that were one way or closed or...
Had all the dining places, cars in the background, but restaurant dining was in the streets. The streets were blocked off and those sorts of things. Of course, we come here for cutesy little buildings like this. That's why we come to Solvang. We just walked into a shop and learned that a lot of the places around here close at 5 p.m. So it's 2 p.m. now. We have 3 hours to come and explore. We're going down the main little road here, and this is the road that we were on before. We see Ingeborg's Danish chocolates over there, and that's where we got some chocolates the last time we were here. And then Solvang restaurant's going to be up here on the left with Arnie's famous Abel Skeevers. The food is one of the primary reasons to come to Solvang here, and the Red Viking restaurant is just one of them. They all have their menus out on the side, so you can just go walking by, find a place, look at the menu, see if you want to eat here. Oh, check out the Danish Mill Bakery. They've got little animatronics in the window here. That's super cool. Like now we have to poke our head in to see what's in here. Wow. Wow. Wowie, wow. This looks and smells amazing. I know you can't smell it, but trust me. Amy likes this little troll thingy. I don't know what it is.
I don't know either, but it's
She
cute.
says it's very, very cute.
I mean, look at these ones.
So we came here to the Old Danish Fudge Kitchen and bought this gigantic slice of fudge. Turn it so you can see like how big it is. Wow, that's
And we
one
got
giant
chocolate,
piece of fudge.
chocolate orange. So
I know.
I'm so excited.
Good selection.
Oh, it's like Christmas.
Here's where we're going to come back in the morning and try to go to Solvang restaurant. So much more is open this time. Like all these places were closed. Now we did come a Sunday morning the last time we were here, and that could contribute to a lot of the reason why stuff was closed as opposed to COVID. But there's just like every store is open now, and Amy's just like, ooh, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to check this out. And I think we're going to get this ornament. We were looking for an ornament. We always get a Christmas ornament from the places that we go at least once a year. And I think this is going to be our ornament for this year. I really love these cute little Viking things that they have in a lot of the different stores. They're just like little puffball type Vikings. This is adorable. One of the iconic things in Solvang are their windmills. They've got a couple of them that we've passed and seen in things. And here's another one for Hamlet Square. And the place that we're actually going is the greenish building. You can see some green awnings over there in the distance. That's where we're headed, Mortensen's Bakery. However, before we do, Amy would really like to go in the windmill. You know, yeah, this is a lovely, cute little town. I mean, take a look at this right here, okay? Like, isn't that just amazing and gorgeous? But to be honest, a lot of these shops have stuff that I would never buy. Just for the most part. Just not even remotely interested in anything in them.
You're still tempted by the little poofy
Except for the little poofball Vikings. They're really cute. Otherwise, everything else is like, eh. But I love the look. We're just here to walk around. We're here to eat food. Really. I mean, we go to Walt Disney World to eat food. We go everywhere just to eat food. That is why we're in Solvang. And this is Mortensen's. Now, it may not look like much, but let me tell you, the food here is phenomenal. Cannot wait to get it. We're gonna sit down on the cute little table outside the cute little food place and eat our cute little food. Amy's gonna try this pistachio bar. It's just as good as you remember it. I can tell. I'm gonna try some of the chocolate side. It doesn't look the greatest on the shelf, but man, the taste is out of this world. This time, apple Danish. It's pretty good. Almond bar is better.
Pistachio bar.
Pistachio bar is better.
It's like we might be buying a few of those tomorrow to take home.
Look, another windmill over there by the Solvang Brewing Co. We didn't come down this way last time, but that is a very cute view right there. This is just too much. Everywhere we go is another cute little vista. I mean, this is an inn right here, the Wine Valley Inn. We just found the Hans Christian Andersen Museum, so we're gonna check it out right here. And here's the little museum. Got some various things to check out. Andersen's boyhood home. Look at these things, tools to make wooden shoes. That is one big ugly duckling.
Did you ever read that girl?
The Emperor's New Clothes. And just some fairy tales by Hans Christian Andersen. Ooh, the Snow Queen. Look, the Snow Queen. That's what Frozen's based off of. Here's the Princess and the Pea. The Marsh King's daughter. Little Match Girl. The Tin Soldier. And apparently a Little Mermaid variation. The Little Mermaid is an original story conceived and written by Hans Christian Andersen. The story was first published together with The Emperor's New Clothes. A nice little view from up here in the second story area of the Hans Christian Andersen Museum. And there's another window. We are at Fitzpatrick's, little Irish pub. Here's a little look at the place. And a quick look at the menu. I think I'm gonna get the shepherd's pie, and I think Amy is eyeing up the bangers and mash. So this is, you know, pretty English type food, and it's Amy's comfort food because her family was from England. Here is Amy's bangers and mash, and wow, that looks good. And this is my shepherd's pie.
It tastes good too, actually.
It does. I mean, they both look fantastic. It's this huge. Both portions are massive, but I want some of these sausages for sure.
Now
Absolutely.
I understand why I got a fork though and you didn't get anything.
Because I got a spoon. Oh well, we're kind of back there.
Yeah, I was about to say.
That was some pretty amazing food, if I do say so myself. Really, really tasty. And $18 per meal, so with tip was like 45 bucks. But
That's about
pretty good.
average,
Yeah.
for, you know, Irish hummus type thing, I feel like.
yeah, I definitely, I mean, it wasn't Danish. We're gonna get Danish tomorrow, but it was pretty good.
You're like, you came to a Danish village and you got Irish food.
I know.
We wanted comfort food.
Check out the cute trolley. The Solvang trolley. When you're visiting Solvang, you absolutely must come to the Solvang restaurant for breakfast, and we'll show you why. So we are back at the Solvang restaurant. Excited. This is like our one big to-do for us. We wanted to come for breakfast the next morning, and it's about 9 o'clock. And we waited 20 minutes on a Saturday.
I don't even waited that long.
No, it wasn't really. And this is a look at the restaurant. It's pretty small. On the other side of the banisters are like, fun Danish words. So it looks better from the other direction, but it's still a very, very cute little restaurant. Now, the reason that we're here is right here. See, at the top of this breakfast list is 3 Danish-style Able Skeever. You're going to see that in a minute, what it is. I'm going to get it served with ice cream. Now, just from my memory, I don't remember them charging $4 for ice cream. $4 for one scoop of ice cream. It's like, you're going to charge me the whole tub for a scoop. But hey, okay, I take it back. They gave me the whole tub. So this is why I paid for a tub of ice cream, because they gave me the tub. On top of my Able Skeever. So this is what Able Skeever is. It's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but they're little breakfast items, like a pancake, a puffy pancake, that sort of thing. And that's the regular as you see it. Mine's with ice cream. And yeah, I'm just gonna dive in, okay? Just take my word for it that it's amazing. Wow, that was good. Oh, man.
And they're so filling. They look so small, but like I couldn't even eat all of my last one. They're just that dense.
And Amy wanted to give me another one, her leftover one, and after eating 3 plus those 2 scoops of ice cream, I was like, oh no, I can't have any more.
So don't be like disappointed by the small size when you get your plate, because I mean the plate looks tiny and it's like, really, this seems small. No, they're really good.
It was $20 with a tip, like a little bit more than that, but I mean $20 for breakfast. It was great, absolutely phenomenal. Highly recommend here in Solvang. And if you come to Solvang restaurant and get some Able Skeever.
And if you don't want to sit inside, like you just want to grab something quickly, they have a takeout window right next to it. Have the exact same thing. They have it with ice cream or without, and you
take it back to your room.
Yeah, you can take it back to your room or even.
Yeah, have one person pick it up for the whole family if they don't want to get out of bed or whatever. So let's talk hotel thoughts and Solvang in general. The shower last night I thought was phenomenal. I always like to try hotel showers. I don't know why. I just do. Every shower is different, pressure wise or comfort or whatever.
Sometimes you end up with ones that are really bad.
I know, but this one was phenomenal. I thought it was a little weird. There was no door.
I mean, don't get us wrong. There was sort of like, there's a wall.
Yeah.
But then it ends, so there's like a little entrance. So like, you're not spraying water all over the whole bathroom.
It just threw me that there was no door at first. But it's still a really, really great shower, a really great room. The bed was super comfortable. The pillows were nice and fluffy. I mean, I had a really great night's sleep. So we enjoyed the hotel here, the M in Solvang is what it's called. And then Solvang last night. So it's like 8 o'clock at night, and we put Back to the Future on TV because we discovered it. They had a Back to the Future marathon. 1, 2, and 3. Bam, bam, bam. And we're like, we didn't bring snacks.
And we had eaten all our other snacks.
And we had eaten everything that we had bought. So we stepped outside the door to go look for snacks, and Solvang was a ghost town. It was like
they
nothing.
said at 5, most of the shops closed. Well, then by, 8 o'clock, the only thing that's open is, a few restaurants. Like, even a lot of the restaurants are starting to close by then. And so...
We went to the CVS down the street to get something. There was a grocery store right next door. And at 8 o'clock, the grocery store was closed. Like, we literally had to shop at CVS. So we grabbed some snacks at CVS. And there was nobody in CVS. There was one worker who was, like, pushing a broom around.
And there was, like, one other person that came in right at the end. But it's like, probably doing the same thing as us.
It was just so weird how empty and quiet Solvang is at night compared to during the day. It's super, super busy. So
because like this morning we got up, and when we came out of breakfast, like there were people everywhere.
Mm-hmm. Anyhow, had a really great time here at Solvang. Always recommend to come in to Solvang if you're looking for a little getaway with a cute little village, lots of fun shopping, and amazing food.
Yeah. And then even if you're just driving from down the coast, if you're driving from Santa Maria or Santa Barbara, like it's worth the 30-minute detour. This
is between Santa Maria and Santa Barbara. So if you're going down the 101 stretch, definitely take the detour. It's like a 20-minute detour off of the 101, but highly, highly worth it just to grab like lunch or breakfast or what have you. Because or just bakery stuff. That's what we did last time. This was just a side detour for us in the morning. Today we actually spent the night here or this weekend. So that was kind of our plan, something we were looking forward to. And if you want to see more videos like this of places in California, but primarily theme parks as opposed to things like this, check out our channel, hit the like and subscribe button, and we will see you again next time.